Welcome back to the garage. Today on the left we have this Ferris ISX 800. It has 175 hours on it right now, and I'm doing basic maintenance before it's March, before the grass cutting season starts, and I'm going to change the transmission filters. I've already done one. I'm glad I'm doing this because the fluid is much darker than I actually anticipated. I mean, it's not terrible, but it's darker than I anticipated. So I'm glad I'm doing this. Now, here is where, so in reference to the machine, this is the back of the machine. We're gonna change the right transmission, transaxle, whatever you want to call it, hydro gear. This on the other one was also packed full of grass. The filter is right there. I actually did not go with the Ferris filter because they are $41 a piece. I got these Stens from Amazon. There's part number 120-738. They do fit. This is decent manufacture. It's made in the USA. It replaces Hydro Gear, which that is, Exmark, Skag, several different ones. 31 bucks for two on Amazon. You can see all that stuff fall down. Get this out of the way. Look at it. I mean, there's some grass in it, but look at that fluid. It's just all kinds of different colors. So I'm glad I'm doing this. This mower uses 20W50 synthetic hydrostatic transmission fluid. So this, just by gravity, is feeding down and filling up those hydraulic pumps. I'm not going to run it until it's got at least 2 quarts in there. You see the bubbles that are coming up. So I'm just going to keep topping this off every hour or so until it's got 2 quarts in. If you start it, it doesn't really take it down any faster. It's just a slow process, I guess. This actually took a few hours to drain down. I spaced it out over a few days because I wasn't in a hurry, but they are now full. I did get 3 quarts of that. Next time, I believe I will just probably use 20W50 motor oil. This is a slow process, but it does take it and fill it up. Now I can take, let's see, yeah, use SE 20W50 motor oil. I just use motor oil next time, but hope this video helps you. If it does, please subscribe to my channel because that helps me and I appreciate it. Thanks for watching.